Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how to draw this impossible triangle. This is super easy and fun to make. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit this video a thumbs up and also comment on which topic will you like the next video to be, and you can be responsible for my next video. And also share this video with your artistic friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while subscribing press that bell icon so that you will be notified of all my new videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed this video.